Bam. And just like that, for the next 24 hours straight, I'll accept every single DoorDash delivery no matter what. Stick to the end to see how much money we make, because this is actually crazy. We got our first order just like that. I'm gonna accept it. There we go. Got an accident already, holy crap. You're probably wondering, why the hell am I doing this? My goal is to travel halfway across the world so I can paraglide over one of the highest mountains in Turkey. One round trip from Washington DC to Istanbul, Turkey will cost me roughly $1,000, making it the amount that I will need to reach our goal. In the last video, I raised people for money, bringing our total amount so far to $31. From the money that we made in the last video, $20 of it went to gas and filled my tank halfway. And as I continue to get more gas, I'll subtract it from the money that we're making. What's Doordash? Alright, cool. Appreciate that. Thank you. Right now, I have 2 weeks left to reach $1,000. I need to start speeding things up. Almost got in our first accident. Nice. And just like that, we're at $5.50. It's just about 9 a.m. right now. Probably wondering what type of car I'm using today. Now you're probably wondering, how am I driving with it this low? To be honest, I'm really not. Yeah, you know it. This whole car's on straight air, meaning the entire car can go any height I want it to be. We got another one, barely a 5-minute drive, so we're gonna do this one too. Doordash. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Now, as I'm waiting for my next order, here's some things that I have in this car that will hopefully stop me from getting into any trouble and losing more money. I have a Uniden R3 radar detector. And before you say that, oh my god, he's no Honda, never need that. Any car will go over the speed limit. I don't understand that concept. I'm somebody that drives very efficiently. Sometimes I do find myself going like 5 or 10 over. And if we get a speeding ticket, we're down 200 on the spot. And it will completely ruin this challenge, which is why I cannot afford to get a ticket. The radar detector is right? People who won't speed, you don't have to worry about it. But what is not optional is the dash cam. This thing records from the front and the back. It's so nice. It's also my reverse mirror, so I could see a whole 180 degrees of the whole back of my car. Right now I'm gonna put up all the close calls this car has recorded within the last 4 months. It's actually crazy. We got one more right here at the Wendy's. Doordash, yeah. Ratio.
It's been picked up already.
Oh, really?
You're like the 6th person to come here.
For the same person? That's crazy. Wait, what?
So you might have to call a Doordash and see.
Okay, got you. Hello? I'm your Doordash driver. I'm gonna pick up your Wendy's, but they said that 6 other people already went to it already. Did you have your food yet? You have your food? Well, when you pull up the Doordash app, what does it say? So I'm kind of... no.
Other people?
Let me see. Can anybody speak Spanish? Okay, I have somebody here.
Hola.
Did she get the food yet? Did she get the food?
They picked it up.
They picked it up? Oh, she didn't get the food yet?
No, so whoever picked it up didn't get it.
Oh,
So
snap.
that's probably what it is.
Oh, okay, cool. Let me contact support real quick. Are you able to like make me the order for this?
Remake it?
Like make it. I'll pay it out of pocket and then they'll pay me later, I guess. I'm trying to have it like remade like through. I'm paying for it. You get it? Yeah. So it's like through me now, not through them. It's crazy. People out here stealing orders, but we have it now. That was the Doordash first person. Oh, cool. We got it. Cool. Yep. Yeah, that's it. Have a good one. All right, cool. Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. I got delivery. Right there. Cool. Easy. We'll do it. Oh, the Subway's right in here. Holy crap. God damn. That door not opening. Doordash whenever you're ready. All right, cool. Have a good one. Yeah. got Doordash.
So I don't know what's going on. You're like the third person to have that.
Really?
Yeah, the same order. I think we don't have the food for it. You gotta like contact Doordash.
For real? Damn.
I don't know how that happened, bro.
Damn.
Sorry about that.
There you go. Let me call him. So I'm your DoorDash driver. I was going to ask, did you get your food yet? No. So apparently, I think what's happening, somebody may have took your food. So I'm gonna see what I could do through the DoorDash app. I may need to pay from my pocket and then they'll reimburse me later. I just want to let you know what's going on, but just making sure they didn't get the food yet, that's all. All right, cool. I'll be on my way soon. I'm trying to order all of this right here.
Oh, we were gonna come over here for the DoorDash.
I think somebody took it, basically.
Oh,
Somebody took it, yeah. So I gotta like order it and then through here now I'll pay for it and then they'll reimburse me later, I guess.
Who took it?
Apparently somebody took it. If it's not here, then somebody took it. Cool, thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you. Bro, I'm so annoyed. Why do people keep taking deliveries? Like, come on. Oh, cool, got it. Have a good one. Take care. Doing alright, I'm not exhausted or anything. Yeah, this is about to be a 12-minute delivery. I'm getting a little hungry, so this will be our interesting snack. Peppermint pocky thingy. Probably we're out since like Christmas time. Ooh, it's pretty good. Should I quit trying to make money and just do food reviews? Anyways, I'm almost there. Let's hopefully make it one piece. Like, bro. Thank you. Yeah, have a good one. Alright, perfect. How you doing? Thank you. You should thank you. Thank you. Thank you, appreciate it. Have a good one. Oh, that one. Sorry about that. Take care. Cool, thanks. You holding it up? Oh, Doordash, yeah. Cool, appreciate it. Thank you. Doordash. Alright, my bad. Oh, order going back. Let's get it. Oh, it's right here. Hold up. That's cool. Thank you. I need to eat. Hungry. There, yeah, thank you. For about the last 20 minutes, I didn't get any deliveries. I went home, ate a couple eggs, but now I got this other delivery. Let's get this over with. Oh, good, cool. Have a good one. Appreciate it. Cool, thank you. You also Doordash? Yeah. Yeah, that's how, yeah. It's not first day doing it. I have no idea like how to do it.
Oh, it's your first
day doing it. We're like 20 hours in. We're surviving. We'll see how long we got. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. All right, good luck with everything. Take care. Have a good one. Cool. Appreciate it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm mad lazy. We gotta hit one of these. Loud. Yeah, I can deal with that. Oh, cool. Thank you. Yo, that's crazy. Oh my god. We just hit 1,000 subs. Y'all don't understand how crazy this is. I'm in the middle of a Doordash making content, trying to go to Turkey. Dash notification, and then we just have that. Turn right, alright, bet. Damn. What happened to him? I think that person pulled their handbrake. Hey, next we got 2,000. Then we gotta get to 3,000, 5,000. This is only the start. Oh my god. Oh, we got one more. It's 950. Cool, appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, cool, appreciate it. Thank you. There you go. Cool. Thank you. Appreciate it. No way. Oh. Yep. There it is. Damn, bro. My whole lip is off. It broke right here too. The whole like frame thing is off. It was just some bumpy road over there. It lamped the whole front end of the car into. Oh. It is so chopped. Oh my god. Look at the gap too on the floor. It looks like somebody just shaved their freaking beard off. Like, look at that. What is that? I don't even care. I'm gonna fix it later. It's my fault for doing such a bad job installing it, so I'm not even mad.
Okay. And then
It is currently 2 a.m. I'm low-key getting mad tired. We haven't had a delivery in close to about 30 minutes. So it's getting a little tough out here. I'm really exhausted. My head is spinning. I feel like I'm still driving right now. Like, yeah, but it's all good. I need to get some rest in. It's getting way too dangerous for me to keep driving like this because I can barely keep my eyes open. I DoorDash so much that I'm actually 1 hour away from home. My dinner was straight up Nesquik from Wawa. I really could not stop. I was just going at it. But I'm looking too tired to do anything. I'm not even hungry anymore. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna find an empty parking lot. I'm gonna see if I can get some sleep in. It's 2 a.m. now. We still have 6 more hours of this challenge. I'm gonna try being up by like at least 6 a.m. so I can at least get some dashes in the morning and start heading back home. The AC is off, so I just cracked all the windows a little bit just because I'm not trying to waste any gas. The temperature's not too terrible out there. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning, I guess. It is 7 a.m. I could not get any sleep last night. I really tried sleeping for about 45 minutes. For some reason, I could not fall asleep sitting in a chair. So I drove home to about 45 minutes, which wasn't terrible. I had about like a good 2 hours of sleep, maybe 3 hours. Right now it's 7 a.m. We still got about 1 hour left of this challenge. So let's see if we can get some dashes in before we finish off. We just got our first order of the morning. So appreciate it, thank you. Now we're delivering second Chick-fil-A order. This one should take about 10 minutes. Kind of sucks. We chilling. So freaking hungry. I did stop by at ShopRite real quick. For our breakfast, we'll be having Chobani yogurt protein drink thingy. For me, I love these. They're so much cheaper than whey protein. It tastes pretty good. Yeah, no, it's so good. Damn, the police again. This thing's been going off all day. I don't know what's going on in the area. It's been a long 2 days. It honestly felt like 3 or 4. So sick of driving, so sick of DoorDashing. I don't think I'm ever gonna do DoorDash after this. It's not as bad as like some of the other apps, but that's a video for another day. We were active on DoorDash for a total of 12 hours and 36 minutes where me straight doing deliveries. The other 4 hours were just the gaps in between that I did not have any orders. The only time I was inactive was between 2:30 a.m. and 7 a.m. when I was trying to get some sleep in, which makes sense because either way I would have gotten maybe like an order that whole time. It's not worth me staying up. In total, we have done over 43 deliveries. There were some times where I forgot to record. And our total for DoorDash for 24 hours brought us to $361.50. We still had $11 left over from the start of this video, bringing us to $372.50. We did get another $20 gas refill, bringing our total now to $352.50. Our flight is a week and a half away. I need to go from $350 to $1,000 within the next week and a half. Pretty confident we're gonna hit that $1,000 mark because that's some big plans for the next video. But yeah, hit all the buttons and I'll see you on the next one.